Kia.
Come on, MΑORI. Finish us up, Eddie. Love you too, bro. You're gonna spare job, mate.
I'm Kia Kinuda, and I've always been passionate about kai. When I was a kid, I spent heaps of time with my grandparents. My nan had a wicked mara, and she was always in the kitchen, baking, making jams, chutneys, always feeding people. That's really where my love of food began. As a teenager, life changed pretty quickly. I lost both my parents, dropped out of school, and ended up washing dishes at the Avondale RSA. But that little kitchen turned out to be a stepping stone. Before long, I realized I'd found my place and became a chef. The kitchen gave me something I needed: healing, connection, and purpose. Like a lot of us, I'm still on my own haringa, working out what it means to be Māori to me. People see the mataora and think they've got me figured out. Truth is, ka horio e tino matatau I roto I te reo. For now, food is my love language. And now, I want to share that with you. Incredible local ingredients, traditional Māori dishes, and my own take on how we bring those flavours to life today. This is Kia Eats the World. In this episode, I'm down in the Wairarapa, out on the east coast in Tora. I'm heading out on the moana with MΑORI and Troy to throw some lines in for some ika. The boys get in for a dive, then a home-style feed of fresh fish and kai moana.
Cheers, brother.
Good to see you, brother.
Well, no mai. No mai ki te Wairarapa. Nei te wāhi o Ngā te Hikawera, or Ngā te Kahununu.
Beautiful down here. I've never been down here before, bro.
We got the Tora collective. My mate Troy is going to take us out.
Sure.
Go grab some kai.
Choice.
And then I'll cook do your damage.
Yeah, bro. Then I'll cook it up for us.
Yeah, bro. That's it.
Choice.
Yeah, good to go, boys.
We're going to get our kupe on, bro. The Tora Collective sustainably harvests kai moana to order, delivering it fresh the very next day.
Just like a little bunch of fish here that you can sort of see that tarakihi that's sitting off the bottom a little bit.
Yeah, bro. We're feeding them as well. Oh, look how beautiful this fella is.
Beautiful birds, eh? No, you're good.
Bro, he looks like Spock, eh?
Turn my bro, here we are. The secret spot X. Unmarked on the map.
Got the old Excalibur.
Oi!
Look out.
Is that a MAORI exclusive?
Mate, that's the MAORI setup right there. Take the line out. Try and get something going, eh?
This is why I don't want to be a charter fisherman, eh? Get one first and we can use it.
Catch us a beast, brother.
Old Spock, can you go away? And we're on.
We're on.
We're on.
Oh, it took all of 2 minutes.
Yeah, Kia. Oh, God.
Yeah, keep going, keep going.
Wow, that didn't take long.
Nah.
There's me saying I'm not much of a fisherman.
Watch out, a spot here.
Yeah, I know. Got a tarakihi straight off the bat.
Welcome to the Wairarapa.
Tēnā me whiua, tēnā mea. Oh my God.
Oh, Tangaroa.
Give it a yank, bro, when you feel those little bites. Yep.
Yeah, bro.
Shot, Kia.
Ah, we're on again. We're on again. Back to back.
Good God. Shot, Jay.
Double hitter.
What the hell?
Hey, so nice.
That's the one, bro.
You better up your game, MAORI. Should we chuck that little one back and keep the big one?
Yeah, bro. Yeah, hold up. Love blue cod.
Bro's true favourite.
When the bro said we were coming out to get some, I was like, I've never caught it.
Nice cod.
Really?
Why do I wear my town clothes? Oh, oh, he doesn't want to go.
You can see the albatross, eh, bro? He goes.
Unsurprisingly, Troy knows another spot, so we're heading out there to try our luck. Hori's still hoping to reel in a big one.
Just off, sort of trying to chase him around a little bit, you know?
Lightsaber, bro.
Oh, Darth Hohepa.
Straight on, cuz.
There he is. Oh, it's something little. Oh, I'm going back down.
Might be a small cod. You got something good there, bro?
Oh, bit of drama.
Drama, I love a bit of drama.
Couple of smallies.
Couple of babies, eh? No.
What you got, my bro? Are you on?
I hope so. You've been catching all the fish. Come on, Han Hori. What is it?
Oh!
Nice. Can you eat them as well?
Yeah, is that a,
Scuppy?
yeah. On the club? He's not going to have a look inside his mouth.
Go to hongi, bro.
Kill you, Danny.
We good to go, bro?
Good to go, bro.
I'm living the dream, bro. They're like, what are you up to for mahi today? Oh, flying down to Wellington, driving over to Tora Bay, hanging out with the Hori.
Are you already thinking like what you're going to do with the cod?
I was definitely counting my fishes, bro. He told me to tuck it under my arm. So here we go. Now we're on again.
It's easy as that. Just like that.
And this is basically what happens every single time I go fishing. Got the two species again. Prickly, eh?
Yeah, too good. You are cute.
And not to speak too soon, but not getting seasickness or anything like that yet. Which is one of the reasons why I made sure I didn't have any drinks last night.
Old Yoda over there.
Brodo.
Like even those hooks, bro, like you probably want like half that size. They've got such small mouths.
Oh, yeah, okay.
Yeah, they can't. Like the cod will take this easy. That's why I'm trying to like sort of get it all towards the end of the hook.
How come I didn't get all that help?
Oh, bro, because you got a boat. He's still showing you up, bro. It's good.
Oh, mate. You are. It's awesome.
It's not a competition, though, eh?
No, it's not a competition.
You're not
a
competitive.
competition here.
It's going to be good for the ratings. Can't even bait his own hook.
Beast. Yeah, what?
There he is.
Oh,
That is a stonker.
no, Mike, you wanted up, boys.
Yeah. Yeah.
Bro, that's mean.
That's hard, G.
Oh, well, that was epic.
Hard out.
So, do we want some power?
Yes, please, brother. Yes, please, my bro.
If we end up over there, you know we're moving.
What's next? Oh, my days. I know.
And the boys are in there. There's plenty on offer, and we only need a few for a feed. Ooh, grab a few of those too, fellas.
Dirty. Look. Solid.
Sick.
shop, bro.
Got everything we need, bro, for the...
We sure do.
What a sick day, boys.
Work a day. No time for me to do some hard mahi, eh? After a few hours on the moana, the weather takes a turn. Back on land, I get to work preparing our sustainably harvested kaimoana for a simple home-style feed. Taking the power off the shell. I thought we'd start the feed with like a nice warm broth. Once I strain that, I'm just gonna break some of this cutting oil into it. Almost like a miso. I guess while that takes away, get this cod started. Because I've butterflied it before. So I'm just gonna put some parsley down the spine. I normally salt water wash the heads overnight, bro. When you go to deglaze your fish, you can use white wine and then some of the fish jelly and some butter. It just gets those flavours through and tips, bro. And then throughout the day, that just ticks over all day. And you just come in, you just take a little bit of this, and then you start to get left with just that beautiful clear fish stock on the bottom. Let that simmer and I'll skim that. So we're gonna make this Marmite toast fish.
Yeah.
Give it your jobs. So if it goes wrong, you know, there's someone to blame. And what you can do, is you can add just a splash of water.
What's a splash? Like a manu?
Get the tap running.
Yeah.
And you just... It just helps break down how like gelatinous-y the egg whites are.
Yeah.
Choice, we're on.
Sweet.
The last thing is grab that toast, and we're just gonna crush it up, bro. Like that. Burn my vocals. I'm gonna show you one for the maramite. This is gonna be
This is gonna be
out of control. Flour just helps the egg hold.
Yep.
Straight onto those crumbs, giving it a good press. Boom. That's our fish, bro. We're putting the scales back on. That's the texture. While you do that, I'm gonna get this cod on.
Yeah.
I'm gonna come jump in your flour for a sec. Boom.
Feel a little weird doing this.
It almost look like wheat tips.
Yeah, bro.
Like a breakfast fish.
That's looking really good.
Interesting to see what comes with it.
It's feeling like it's flowing now. I'm just gonna take it out, and I'm gonna pop some of these potatoes in there with it. Smell that? Smell that
Oh,
lemon?
yeah.
The lemon's starting to
Yeah, bro.
caramelise. And that's gonna go in there to heat again. That's not too far away, that one. That's smelling mean too. Can you do me a favour? Yeah. Did you grab the block of butter over there? Big old block of butter. Beauty. Just gonna drop some knobs of butter in there. A bit of this onion down the sides. Parsley over the top.
Nothing wrong with a little bit more butter, bro.
Nothing wrong. That's on. Back to grill. Super, I'm just gonna make a bit of a salsa. Kawa, some watercress and parsley.
Oh, you can smell that peppery.
Just a bit of parsley. It's more mellow than this stuff, right?
Yeah.
Sometimes if you use too much of that, it can just be quite intense. Big pinch of salt.
Douse it.
And a little splash of vinegar. And you can add garlic, but just with fish, I find garlic is like quite intense.
Yeah.
And you can lose a lot of the subtleties. When it hits the heat, it's gonna open up. Just nice thin slices, nice little bites. I don't want this to be chewy, and we're just gonna flash fry it. It just makes it go a little bit further too. It's all the good stuff now.
Yeah.
So all the oil that you see, all those little bits, that's all from the fish here. That's all the collagen, bro. That's coming along really well. Got some more?
Yeah, the beauty.
Yeah. I feel prettier already. You feel the stickiness from the collagen on your lips?
Yeah. The new fillers for the mutu.
Yeah, bro. Good fillers. Right, I'm gonna hit it with the rest of the stuff now, Jake. Smell that, bro?
Yeah.
That's all we're doing to it. Letting it get a taste of the heat. The last thing we need to do is we got to fry that fish to order.
The moment of truth, my friend.
Moment of truth. Pray to Jah, pray to Allah.
And that's going to cook on top. Yeah, that was great.
Gives it a little kick. Give it a little shimmy. If it catches or it's a little bit burnt around the edges, it's Vogel's. Yeah. You know what I mean? It's Vogel's and it's Marmite. So we just got these safety measures in place, bro. It's always going to be fine. If anyone asks, oh, mine's a little bit burnt, it's like, it's exactly how it's supposed to be.
Alahori right there.
Where's Shaolin? Should we get the table set? Have food.
Fire.
Going all in and making sure I do it properly. I always feel better with the end result.
Thank you, good sir.
You're welcome, sir. This is for your health.
This cup of tea I've seen.
Right, bro. Well, tēnei te mihi ki a koe. Hei tai mai nei ki konei. We in the Wairarapa always go on about having your Wairarapatanga, and we're just about to enjoy that Wairarapatanga so you can take that back home with you.
Kia ora, bro.
So, no, it's been amazing to be with you, bro, here, and we can't wait to get into this kai.
Yes, thank
Ana me inoi nei. Taumata tini ki runga nei, mano mana ki runga nei, hā ki raro nei. Piti ana mai, kaina mai, whakapakaranga mai, kō kina, ka kai, ka whiu, ka mākuna, te rau, tangata e, hui e,
Taiki.
taiki. Let's do this.
Cheers.
Yeah, the Botox.
The Botox, get in ya. Brologen.
Oh, man.
It should work like a miso, bro.
Just looks epic.
I know, right? It was just this, bro. That's what was real cool about it. And there's plenty more broth too if you want some more broth.
This is the one,
The texture on the power was perfect. It feels like little bits of bacon.
I think I fell in love with that salsa.
Cheers.
Cheers, Janine.
Shout out to Auntie Janine. For me, bro, like when I see that whole plate space taken up and the shape of the fish barrels around the plate, bro.
Yeah.
You know, like...
Looks like a feed.
Yeah, bro.
Are you guys real jealous back there?
It's one of my favourite ways to eat, eh? Small plates, sharing food.
I think the bros are really happy about that hakiri, but I'm proud of it. Humble food, but just a beautiful reflection of the environment, the Wairarapatanga. We went from having this beautiful sunny skies to tumultuous weather. My menu had to pivot, and I think it was for the better. I mihi mahana, I mihi aloha, I mihi nunui, ki te whenua nei, ko Wairarapa. Had an amazing time here, and I look forward to coming back soon.